Alright guys, we're heading to Wild Burger, but it's really Buffalo Wild Wings, so I'm not
Head
sure.
east, then. Your destination will be on the right.
But then it says Buffalo Wild Wings.
This is takeout. We're technically takeout.
So we're gonna go up in here, grab his order, and deliver it for $4.25.
And he's off. I parked in the takeout spot right there because the door is literally right there. I'm assuming we haven't done Buffalo Wild Wings yet, so this is where we pick up when we order our personal food. So let's hope that that's the same place where you pick up Dash food. And he's back. It was pretty quick. Didn't have to pause the camera for Lance.
Pretty sure we're going out to the
That's
left.
it. They had no drinks.
Buffalo Virtual, please pick up order. No, 2 items.
All right.
There's
And we're
2
going
items in there. Confirm pickup. Watch this guy. They're Dashers too.
Yeah, I can tell he's not even paying attention. That's why you don't park forward in this parking in the shopping center, guys. Like I said, you're gonna park on the side. You want to park much atrás. All right, so we're here with the Buffalo Wild Wings order. The customer has requested that we leave it at the door. Come on, Dasher. Think Dasher like the reindeer.
No tip. Another no tip. No customer tip.
Wow.
Only Dash paid me. All right, guys. So the only reason I took this little $4.25 order is because there's a gas station near here I wanted to go to put in the car. So I'm gonna pause my Dash for right now. All right, guys. Today is what's today? Tuesday. Tuesday, 5:44. All the kids did their homework, so we're gonna start dashing if there's anything. So it's looking for orders, and we're gonna hang out at Chipotle. See when the dash order comes in. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead to McDonald's, do a $5.75 for 2.3 miles, I think it is. There's no customer tip, so it's paying low, or they're trying to give you an incentive of $9.50, but it's because you're grabbing 2 people orders. So then, you know, they're having you go to one place and then from that place go to another spot for $9.50. If it was one order for $9.50, then, you know, it'd be a no-brainer. But see you at McDonald's.
Hi y'all, so we just got to McDonald's. We haven't gone to this one yet. This one is the one on Waterstone Plaza, Oasis Plaza, whatever. So what do you say?
He said they're closed.
They're closed, so I have to go to drive-thru. Okay, so
all right, guys, so we went to the drive-thru window. We said we had a Dash pickup. The girl said come to the first window. We were supposed to pick up the order 9:56. That's what time we got here. It's 9:08 or 6:08. Sorry, 5:56 and it's 6:08. So we're gonna see. I don't like this order, and like I said, I'm not taking no more until I know that this McDonald's is not having construction in the lobby. I will not be accepting the orders for this McDonald's location. All right, so we went to the pickup, the first window, like where you pay, and she said, okay, you can go to the next window. So I'm waiting the whole drive-through, everybody get their order for me to just pick up my Dash order. Yeah, there's gotta be a better way. They gotta figure it out. There's gotta be a better way. All right, so we got the order. We're gonna hit confirm pickup 3 times. The father had, you can't do anything because it wasn't my fault. They got a gate code. They sent me a gate code, 620 pound. Yeah.
okay, so the customer has requested that we leave it at the door. McDonald's was so long. He's explaining to her that it was so long, the order. The line at drive-thru was horrible. He's such a people person. He's coming back. And he's back.
Try to butter her up, you know, let her know, you know. Nah, we ain't get no tip. But she said it was perfect because her mom ordered it for her son, which is weird, and she just got there. So I don't know if the kid was there by herself or she was there with the son. I'm not asking no questions.
No question other people's parents.
All right, let's keep dashing. I forgot to put this in there, but it was actually weird because it was the customer actually paid more than Dash. The customer paid $3 in a tip, and Dash paid us $2.75. And this was a high pay order supposedly. You Your high acceptance rate and customer rating gave you priority for this order. So they said they gave it to me before somebody else. All right, guys, I can't show you what we just did, but we had to reverse and ask some lady to let us make a right-hand turn so we could jump across. We were like yards, like literally feet away from the Outback that's here, and we were about to go the opposite direction. So I don't even know where.
By 2 lanes.
I don't even know where this is going, but we just took it. You know, we just took it.
It said 6. I never seen it say plus after a number.
It says 650 plus. So,
yeah. So we'll see what that means.
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
Oh gosh,
where's the
ambulance?
They're pulling us over. They caught us.
No. So I wanted to show you guys at Outback, they have this little sign here, so Joel doesn't have to get off to go inside. They want us to stay in the car. So it's 6:27 now. Let's see how long it takes for them to come out. We'll probably give them like what, 5 minutes before you go in there, because I don't want to take any time out of the order. So we'll see how long it takes. Good. Okay, so Joel ended up calling a store, and they told him that he can either go in or wait in the car, but it seems like that door only opens from the inside. So she's coming out now.
Hello. I wasn't sure if I was like okay to go there and knock or.
No, it's okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Bye. Joel will be biting up these people, but try to be all nice. Here. She looked like she was upset.
Alright, confirm customer order was picked up. We're going to the Courtyard Marriott Home. Bro, what the heck?
Is it right here? Wait, which one? The one over there?
Hold on. Directions.
Head north.
You gotta be kidding me.
No.
We're going right there.
No, the Courtyard is that one? Are you kidding me?
We're going from here. We're going the Courtyard Marriott. Yeah. What?
The customer requested you leave the order at their door. They added the following instructions.
You gotta be kidding me.
Well, what door? How do we know?
I got the information, man. Please knock after drop off. Holy moly, this gotta be the shortest distance I would go. Just park like you valet, man.
Oh, but it's not around.
Man, just hit that guy right there if he don't get out the way. He's taking a picture of somebody.
Your destination.
Oh, go around him, go drive. Thank you, tourist. Alright, yeah, we're here. We made it. Oh my goodness. Alright, but we're here.
Alright, where's the camera? Oh, you're
I'm gonna take a look. Get up in here. Let me show you how to do this. Take a look. Be quiet.
Head east.
How you doing, buddy? I have a delivery for Michael W. 310. 310. Thank you very much. Is it okay if I ride with you?
Sure.
All right, number 3, please.
Sure.
Thank you, buddy.
You got it. Man, you're nice. Delivering straight to the room.
Man, I had the order right there on Outback.
Yeah.
And then I hit the button, like where to take it, it said the Marriott. I was like, what?
You walk across the
I was
street,
like,
right?
what? I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, fair enough. Whatever. I'm tired.
Be safe, buddy.
Have a good one.
You too. Bro, I never would have got an order like this. That's crazy. Right next to the other. How you doing?
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good one.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Enjoy. I would have walked over there. I don't know. I'm just would have walked over there. It wasn't that far. All right, I'm gonna head back to the car and see if we get one more. All right, so it said $6.50 and it had a plus sign, right? So the DoorDash paid me $2.50 to bring it here, and the customer tipped me $5. Thank you, Mr. Michael.